Here in Singapore's only rooftop greenhouse, we grow under the natural Singapore sunlight all of our different herbs and leafy greens without the use of pesticides, so you know they're safe and healthy to feed to your family. So now you can get not only our fresh chisim, which is packed with the roots on to make sure it lasts as long as possible in the fridge, you can also get our fresh clamshell basil. Absolutely fantastic. It's a sweet Genovese. You've been able to get this for quite some time, but we've also started selling our fresh mint. The mint is absolutely wonderful, and now you can get it on Redmart online. We've also got another brand new thing, is the fresh rosemary you see behind me here. Please try some, you'll love it. Now I've got one more thing I want to show you. It's our fantastic sweet basil. We're selling this special version with the roots on. When you get it home, put it in a glass of water. It'll last at least a week, if not two, in your kitchen, and you can take the leaves off and put it into your cooking or use it as garnishes. It'll keep it as fresh as possible for as long as possible. So we're giving you a buy one, get one free offer for a very limited time. So buy one of these, get a second one absolutely free for a limited time only on Redmart. So support Comcrop, support Singapore produce, and support your family by feeding them the freshest pesticide-free produce available.